Hey beauties, I'm going to walk you through a breathing technique or pranayama called Kapalabati. It's one that I do at the beginning of many sequences because it allows for you to tune into your breath and the direction and flow of your breath, and also it incorporates a bit of breath holding, which can be very beneficial in training our bodies to hold the breath, particularly on the exhale, for what we'll later work in when we're doing seated meditations. So come to a comfortable seat. You can get a block or a cushion if that's more comfortable for you. I'm going to sit up on this nice big block that I have. Ground down in your sits bones, and you can even rock side to side and pull the butt flesh back so you can really feel your sits bones sinking into the floor. You could also come up onto your knees if you'd like. So sitting back on your heels, or again, up on a block. So Kapalabati is a deep inhale, reaching your arms up. Exhaling, allowing your elbows to sink down, soft fists, thumbs pointing out towards the sky. You then begin short, sharp exhales, closing your mouth and only breathing through the nostrils. You focus on the exhale. The inhale is automatic. With every exhale, you're sharply and shortly breathing out through your nostrils as you pull your belly button and low abdomen back and up towards your rib cage. We'll do this 22 breaths. Begin. Then reach your arms down and inhale fully as you raise your arms up to the sky. Interlace your thumbs and pull them apart slightly, reaching your arms up high but pulling your shoulder blades back and down, and engaging your mula bandha and pulling that belly button back towards the low spine. So fists reaching towards the sky, shoulder blades pulling down away from the ears. So you're engaging Mula Bandha and also Jalandhara Bandha. So Jalandhara Bandha is tucking your chin ever so slightly and feeling a slight restriction in the throat. So you have already inhaled your hands up to here. Now you're going to hold your breath. So holding that inhale, holding Mula Bandha, holding Jalandhara Bandha, until you can no longer hold the breath anymore without strain. So this is acknowledging your own breath. How long can you hold your inhale before you start to feel like you're going to burst? So just staying there, holding that inhale. When you need to release, first release Mula and Jalandhara bandhas. So relax the belly, relax the neck and the throat. Undo the thumbs, and then on your exhale, Om, all the way down as your fingers trace an arc of white light around your body, envisioning this in your head as you Om. So you'll be releasing the inhale and exhaling. Palms come to rest on the knees wherever they are, and allowing for the inhale to fill up your belly slowly, and allowing the exhale to come naturally, and just tuning into your breath. We'll do this twice more. Inhaling, reaching the arms up overhead, slight bend in the elbows, soft fists, thumbs pointing up. 22 short, sharp exhales. Feel free to close your eyes this time. Inhaling, sweep the arms up and overhead. Engage Mula and Jalandhara bandhas, pulling the thumbs up and apart from one another, sinking the shoulder blades down and holding the breath at the top of the inhale. So you inhale fully as much as you can, sucking up all of the air, and when you get to the very top, hold. As you hold the breath, envision the breath traveling from the very top of the crown of the head down the spine, traveling down neck, shoulders, upper back, mid back, lower back, until it comes to the tailbone. When you need to release, when you can't hold any longer, even if it was before this point, release both bandhas, relax, undo the fingers, and Om on your exhale. Om. Allowing the inhale and the exhale. Taking a few breaths and just breathing into any restrictions, lightheadedness, joy, any sensations that arise in your body or your mind. Simply notice them and observe. Now to the last round. Keeping your eyes closed if you'd like. Inhale, reaching your arms up. Soft bend in the elbows, gentle fists, thumbs pointing up. Begin 22 short, sharp exhales through the nostrils, closing the mouth. Inhaling, sweeping the arms up and out, interlacing the thumbs, engaging Muladhara and Jalandhara bandhas. At the top of the inhale and holding as long as you can without strain, envisioning that breath traveling down the back of your spine slowly. When it reaches the base of your spine or when you can no longer hold anymore, release the thumbs and tracing an arc of white light around your body, envisioning it as you Om, coming down. Allowing for the inhale to fill up the belly with breath and allowing the exhale to come, initiating from the base of the spine, Mula Bandha. Inhale fills up the belly, exhale contracts. Again, just noticing any sensations that may have arisen, observing them without judging. Slowly begin to flutter your eyes open and come back to the space. Congratulations, you've just done Kapalabati. You've practiced this breathing technique at the beginning of most practices, any sequence or series that you're working on. You could practice this prior to meditation. You can practice this alone and not do anything else if you don't feel like it. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you practice in honor of all that there is and all that you are. I honor you.